Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to show you guys on the tutorial on how I make money on eBay. So I saw this B&O Play P2 Bluetooth speaker that was collaborated with the Supreme back in September, fall winter 2017. So if you have money to invest on Supreme stuff and when the value is not there when it's first dropped, you might want to hold it if you have cash or money to hold it. And then there's always a buyer out there. So don't panic and try to get rid of it and end up losing money. So that's what I did. So I hold this for like almost 2 years. And then I finally sold this item. So as you can see, it is still spanking new. If you want, I could include the link that is down below within the description. So you guys could check it out, the unboxing videos, if you guys want. So I just sold this, and that's why I'm making this video. I know that's a long time, but at least you're not losing money. So after that, when you sold it, I gotta put this sticker back. So yeah, these stickers go across the Supreme. And then that go inside this bag. That's why every time when I unbox my Supreme stuff, I like to keep it new. So whenever I sell it, the buyer will be happy to receive it in a brand new, near new condition. Still got the original tape. And then the charger is down here. There's the instruction on here as well. And it's flat. So the main points today is to how you're gonna package your product or the item that you sold, so your customer will be happy to receive in a good condition. So first of all, it is very important. There's a lot of sellers or the beginning sellers didn't know what are they doing. So first of all, you need to find out what is the weight of the item that you're going to be selling. And then you got to go to, there's a eBay and PayPal calculator online that it is free. You need to enter the amount, the item that you sold for, calculate the shipping fee, and then you'll automatically figure out your eBay and PayPal fee for you. And then if you are a top rated seller, there's an additional 20%, 10 to 20% that it will give you a discount if you are the top rated seller. So You could get all this supply from USPS.com. I got this, and this is most my favorite. This is domestic and international use for flat rate bubble envelope. So I'm gonna use this one. Since this box is kind of snug, actually it's kind of too small. It kind of bulge out a little bit. And not only that, I cannot ship this with the flat rate. So most likely this speaker would probably weigh about 2 pounds. So it's gonna cost more than this one. Depends on the zone that you're gonna ship it to. And plus, I need more protection on this one. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in a bigger box like this. So normally I recycle my boxes. As you can see, this is from Western Digital. So I'm gonna put it in here, and I'm gonna use like a bubble plastic wrap to wrap around it, and then I put it in here, and then I'm gonna tape it up. And then I'm gonna put this in this bubble envelope so it doesn't get damaged. There are so many of the USPS or FedEx or UPS. They always tend to throw the package around and then somehow it gets smooshed. But this is a pretty sturdy boxes. Hopefully it's not gonna get damaged, and I gotta tape everything around. So I'm just showing to you guys, normally that's how I make my money and package well, because you don't want to be a buyer and then receive the item and get all damaged, and then by the time you receive their products and stuff. So just spend your time and be diligent. By the way, I purchased a clear shipping tape from a 99-cent store. Before, normally I purchase on the Costco when they were having it on sale, but it was like 12 something for like 8 roll, which is kind of ridiculous. So I end up going to 99-cent now, so to save money, so you can make more money and put it in your pocket. All right. Anyway, hopefully this will help you guys out. If you guys are starting your own eBay business or at Amazon, you could always choose a different carrier to ship your product. Normally, if I have a heavy item that I need to ship it out, I use FedEx or UPS. But I like FedEx. The customer tend to receive the item faster than UPS. But that's it all depends on the carrier. Okay, so if you guys have any question, please drop any comments on below. Be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below, and I will see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.